Good morning, HOD Professor A.K. Chaturvedi sir, my seminar guide K.S. Bhatti sir, seminar coordinator S.S. Godara sir, faculty members, examiners and my friends. I am Dinesh Yadav, pursuing my BTech in Aeronautical Engineering from University Department, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. My seminar topic is gallium nitride semiconductor. This is going to be our list of contents. First, the introduction, then previous attempts, and then advantage of gallium nitride, and after that application of gallium nitride, and then challenges of gallium nitride research. And then we will see the future of gallium nitride, and at the end we will conclude our topic. So first we will talk about the introduction of gallium nitride. So gallium nitride is a wide bandgap semiconductor material that has gained significant attention in the recent years due to its exceptional electronic properties and chemical formula of gallium nitride. It's a compound made of gallium and nitrogen. Gallium nitride can operate at high voltage and temperature while maintaining high efficiency due to its wider bandgap than traditional semiconductor like silicon. It also has a high electron mobility which allows for faster switching speeds and higher power densities. Gallium nitride is used in a variety of applications including power electronics, RF microwaves, LED lighting and photovoltaics. Gallium nitride based solar cells have the potential to achieve higher efficiency than silicon based solar cells. Gallium nitride is still a relative new material and research is ongoing to improve its performance and explore new applications. Moving forward upon the history of gallium nitride. So first, gallium nitride was discovered in 1960s by Russian and Japanese scientists who first grew gallium nitride crystals using a process called hydride vapor phase epitaxy (HVPE). In the 90s, gallium nitride began to gain attention as a promising material for electronic and optoelectronic applications due to its unique properties such as high electronic mobility, breakdown voltage, and high thermal conductivity. In 1995, the first high brightness gallium nitride based blue LED was developed by Shuji Nakamura. In the late 90s and early 20s, gallium nitride based laser and transistors were also developed, paving the way for gallium based power electronics and RF applications. Now moving forward towards the application of gallium nitride. So first, power electronics. Gallium nitride is used in power electronics due to its high breakdown voltage and high electronic mobility, making it an ideal material for high efficiency and high power density applications such as power supplies, inverters and motor drives. LED lighting. Gallium nitride LED lighting, light emitting diode are used in lighting application including residence, commercial and automotive lighting due to its high efficiency, low power consumption and long lifespan. RF means radio frequency devices. Gallium nitride based radio frequency devices such as amplifiers, transistors are used in high frequency and high power applications such as radar, satellite communication and wireless communication systems. Consumers electronics. Gallium nitride based chargers and power adapters are becoming popular in consumer electronics due to their compact size, high efficiency and fast charging capabilities. Now, automotive. Gallium nitride based power electronics and began being increasing used in electric and hybrid vehicles due to their ability to handle high power level and high temperature tolerance and compact size. Now, aerospace and defense. Gallium nitride based RF devices are used in aerospace and defense applications including radar, communication system due to their high power and high frequency capability. Now, medical devices. Gallium nitride based LED lights are used in medical devices such as surgical lights and photodynamic therapy devices due to their high brightness and color accuracy. Now, renewable energy. Gallium nitride based power electronics are being used in renewable energy such as solar and wind power systems due to their high efficiency and high density. Now, moving forward upon the advantage of gallium nitride. So first, wide bandgap. Gallium nitride has a wide bandgap which allows it to operate at high temperature and voltage than traditional material like silicon. Smaller sizes due to their high efficiency and power density, gallium nitride devices can be made smaller than their silicon counterparts, making them ideal for space contact application. Now, higher thermal conductivity, gallium nitride can dissipate heat more efficiently than other materials, allowing for high power operating without overheating. High electron mobility. Gallium nitride has a high electron mobility, which means that electrons can move through the material quickly, resulting in faster and more efficient devices operation. Now, long lifespan. Gallium nitride devices have a longer lifespan than traditional material, reducing the need for frequent replacement and maintenance. Low on resistance. Gallium nitride devices have a low on resistance, which reduce power loss and improve efficiency. Higher efficiency. Gallium nitride technology offers high efficiency, and compared to the other semiconductors materials such as silicon, it enables smaller and more power efficient devices, reducing power losses and save energy. Faster switching speed. Gallium nitride devices have faster switching speed than traditional silicon-based devices, which reduce the time taken to turn on and off power switching. This makes them ideal for high-frequency applications such as in power converter and inverters. Now moving forward towards the challenges in gallium nitride technology. So that first challenge is design complexity. The design of gallium nitride is more complex than traditional semiconductor devices due to the unique electronic property of the material. This can make the design process more challenging and time consuming. Now, thermal management. Gallium nitride devices generate a significant amount of heat, which can affect their performance and reliability. Effective thermal management is essential for ensuring optical performance and longevity of gallium nitride. Now, integrity with existing. Okay. Now then, material quality. The quality of gallium nitride material is critical for device performance, and the fabrication process must be carefully controlled to ensure high quality material is produced consistently. Now, packaging. The packaging of gallium nitride device is critical for their reliability and performance, but it can be challenging due to the high heat generated and the need for effective thermal management. Now, environment impact. The manufacturing process of gallium nitride devices can have a significant environment impact due to the use of rare and toxic material and the energy required for production. Now, testing. Testing gallium nitride devices can be challenging due to the high voltage and current involved, and the need of specialized test equipment and techniques. Now we will see the future of gallium nitride. So first, the miniaturization. Gallium nitride has the potential for further miniaturization, allowing for development of smaller and more efficient devices for a wide range of applications. Now, emergence of 6G. The emergence of 6G technology is expected to further increase the demand of gallium nitride based devices, which are used in the development of the high frequency and high speed wireless communication system. Now, growing demand for electric vehicle. The growing demand for electric vehicle is expected to drive the adoption of gallium nitride technology, which is used in the development for more efficient and compact power electronics for electric vehicles. Now, improving manufacturing processes. The development of new manufacturing processes and technologies is expected to further improve the cost effectiveness and effectiveness of gallium nitride devices. Now, wide range of product. Gallium nitride technology is used in a wide range of products, including power supplies, LED lighting, and wireless charging systems, among others. Now, emerging application. Gallium nitride technology is finding new applications in areas such as 5G communication, electric vehicle, and renewable energy, which are expected to drive further growth in the industry. Now, the importance of intellectual property. Intellectual property protection is expected to play an increasingly important role in the gallium nitride industry, as companies seek to protect their innovation and technologies from infringement and exploitation. Now, potential for medical applications. Gallium nitride technology has potential medical applications such as in the development of high resolution imaging devices and biosensors, which could improve medical diagnosis and treatment. Now, battery charging. It is expected that gallium nitride based battery charging technology will become more widely adopted, resulting in faster and more efficient charging time for a wide range of devices. Additionally, gallium nitride ability to operate at high frequency could enable the development of wireless charging systems that are more efficient and easier to use. Defense. Gallium nitride technology is expected to continue to play a critical role in the defense industry. The use of gallium nitride-based components in radar systems, electronic warfare systems, and communication systems can enable improved performance and functionality while reducing size, weight, and power consumption. At the last, I would like to conclude my PPT and look for great future and ahead in the field of gallium nitride. So gallium nitride is a semiconductor material that has gained popularity in recent years due to its superiority performance compared to traditional silicon-based semiconductors. Gallium nitride has a high electron mobility which allows for faster switching speeds and high efficiency in electronic devices. Gallium nitride is commonly used in power electronics such as power adapter, inverters, and electric vehicles due to its ability to handle high voltage and currents. Compared to silicon-based devices, gallium nitride-based devices can be smaller in size and lighter in weight, making them more suitable for portable and mobile applications. Gallium nitride devices generate less heat, which can reduce the need for complex cooling systems in electronic devices. In addition to power electronics, gallium nitride is also being explored for use in lighting, optical communication, and other applications, where its unique properties can provide advantage over traditional materials. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you find this presentation informative and engaging. Thank you.